Okay, here's what the problem statement says in question 2. Write the first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So we have 5 parts. In each part we are given the first term, we are given the common difference, and we have to write the first 4 terms of the AP. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the answers in a table format like this. So on the left column we have the 5 parts that we have to solve, and on the top row we have the first 4 terms. So look at this carefully. So T1, the first term, is equal to A, because that's by definition the first term. The second term is equal to A plus D, 1 jump of D. The third term is equal to A plus 2D, 2 jumps of D. And the fourth term is equal to A plus 3D, which is 3 jumps of D from A. So using this, it's very easy to write out the first 4 terms of each AP. Okay, so in part 1 we have the first term is 10. So T1 is 10, and the common difference is also 10. So T2 is A plus D is 20. T3, which is A plus 2D, is 30, and T4, which is A plus 3D, is 40. So we're just taking jumps of 10 starting from the first term, which is itself equal to 10. Now let's go to the second part. So in the second part, the first term is minus 2, but the common difference is 0. So basically, starting at minus 2, no matter how many jumps of D we take, we will still remain at minus 2. And you can verify it if you want by plugging in the values of A and D into these expressions also. So D and 2D and 3D are all 0. So we will get T2, T3, T4, all of them equal to A only. So we will get the series minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and minus 2. Okay, now let's go to the third part. So in the third part, the first term is 4 and the common difference is minus 3. So the second term is 4 plus minus 3, or 1. So we go back 3 units. We jump back 3 units on the number line. And similarly, the third term is A plus 2D, or 4 minus 6, which is minus 2, and A plus 3D is minus 5. So you can see that to go from any term to the next term, we simply subtract 3 and we get the next term. Okay, then the fourth progression has the first term equal to minus 1. So minus 1, A is minus 1, and then D is equal to half. So the second term is minus 1 plus half, which is equal to minus half. The third term is minus half plus half. So taking a jump of half from the second term, or taking 2 jumps of half from the first term. So we will get 0. And then similarly T4 we will get as half. So to go from any term to the next term, we just add half, because D is equal to half. Okay, and now the fifth progression has A equal to minus 1.25. So T1 is minus 1.25, and now the common difference is minus 0.25. So to go from any term to the next term, we simply subtract 0.25 and we get the next term. Or if you want, you can plug in the values of A and D into these expressions and you will get the same answer. So T2 will be minus 1.50. T3 will be minus 1.75. So I'm just going back 0.25 units from each term to get the next term. And then T4 will be equal to minus 2.00. So, okay, so with that, this question, all the 5 parts of this question are done. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.